Welcome to Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savira. I hope you are learning a lot of things with me. Isn't it so? Alright, we will learn a lot of new things today as well. But before that, I wanted to ask you something. Did you wash your hands frequently today? Did you brush your teeth? Did you have the breakfast? What did you have in your breakfast? Yes, you had milk and egg? Great, lovely. And did you wear the mask before going out? You have to wear your mask before going out because as you know that the virus is there. You have to wear the mask, you have to stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Okay. Now we are going to learn a new sound that is T. 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 Turtle. Turtle. Where does a turtle live? Yes, they live on land and water both. Right. Now T. Teapot. Who likes to drink tea with mommy and papa? Who likes to drink tea? Oh, you! I love tea. You love tea? You like to drink it? Oh my God, I also like to drink tea twice a day. Yeah, now let's move on. Other one. T. Tree. Do you have trees in your garden, in your lawn? Yes, you have them? Good. Grow more and more and more and more trees. Okay. Now, turnip. And do you know turnip is a vegetable? You like vegetables? No? I love to eat vegetables and turnip is very healthy for you. Okay. Teddy. The teddy bear. Do you have teddy bears at home? You like to play with the teddy bears? Do you have toys at home? Wow, lovely. Show me your toys someday, okay? Now that was all about T. We are going to discuss about a very important topic today, and that is healthy and unhealthy food. Let's discuss and let's see what things are healthy and you are eating and what things are unhealthy and you are eating them too. Let's see. First of all, we will discuss healthy food. We will see what are the healthy things. Then we will discuss what are the unhealthy food. Okay. So let's see. These are bread and cereals. They are very healthy. Breads and cereals are very healthy for you. Okay, you can have them in the breakfast. Oh my God, these are nuts. Nuts are very healthy for you. But if you are eating them handful, if you are eating too much nuts, they are not at all healthy for you. Okay, so in a limited quantity, you can eat nuts. Okay, fruits. Oh my God, lots of fruits are there. Bananas, apples, oranges, grapes, they are very healthy. You can have them a lot. Okay. Now, what are these? These are dairy products. Dairy products, cheese, eggs, butter, milk, cream. They all are dairy products and they are very healthy for you. Okay, you can have them and they are very important for your health and for your growth. Okay. Now, meat and chicken. Meat and chicken plus fish. They are rich in protein. They are very healthy for you. You can have them in limited quantity. They are healthy for you. Now, we will discuss unhealthy food. The food which are not at all healthy for you. Let's discuss them. This is, what is this? You know the name of this product. What is this? Yeah, It's an ice cream. You like ice cream? I also love ice cream. But you know, if we are having lot of ice cream, they will plaque our teeth. We will have sore throat, you know. So we can have the ice cream, but in limited quantity, in limited, you know, not too much. Now we will move on the other one, chips. Chips are not at all healthy for you. They are unhealthy. They make you lazy, they make you lethargic. You don't feel good when you are having a lot of chips. Okay, so please avoid them. Pizza. If mummy is making the pizza at home, they are healthy. But if you are having them from the market, from the pizza shop, they are not at all healthy. I don't know what type of cheese they are using in their pizzas. Okay, donuts. Donuts are not at all healthy. They have lots of sugar in it. So please avoid donuts. Don't eat them too much. Oh my God, this is a lollipop. It has lot of sweet in it. It has lot of sugar in it. So please avoid lollipops. They can decay your teeth. They can plaque your teeth. So you have to take care of your health. Now, after healthy and unhealthy food, we will move on months of the year. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's move on. This is July. What is this month name? July, and it's the 7th month of the year. Let's spell it. J-U-L-Y. July, and it's the 7th month of the year. Great, lovely. Let's reinforce from first month of the year. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July. I hope you have learned a lot of things today, and you are going to learn more things tomorrow. For what? You have to wait till tomorrow's episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savira. See you tomorrow with your happy faces. Bye. Allah Hafiz.